Hello, my name is Malachi Pete. I am currently in the 8th grade at Champion Theme Middle School. After I graduate from middle school, I would like to attend Arabia Mountain as one of my top choices because of its strong STEM and engineering magnet program. I admire the school's excellent reputation and the opportunity it gives students to explore science, technology, and engineering in depth. With my interest in science and engineering, I believe I can contribute positively to the school by being a hardworking, curious, and respectful student who sets a good example for others. I always try to be a positive role model and encourage my classmates to stay focused and do their best. I would describe myself as a calm, considerate, and agreeable person. I enjoy working with others and I always try to stay positive even when faced with a challenge. The abbreviation of STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. When I think of STEM, I think about learning through creativity, problem solving, and teamwork. To me, STEM education means to expand my knowledge and design and technology because I love science and engineering. I see STEM as a way to prepare for my future career and to keep expanding my knowledge as much as possible. During my time at Champion Theme Middle School, I've taken STEM and technology classes. I really enjoyed those classes, even when we built fun and challenging projects, like a paper tower, a water bottle car, and a bubblegum dispenser. Those experiences made me even more curious about engineering. When I first heard about Arabia Engineering Magnet Program, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to learn more and develop my skills. Overall, I believe that the Engineering Magnet Program at Arabia High School will help me achieve my dream of becoming an electrical engineer. Thank you.